Hello, my dear friends. I hope you're doing great. And in this lesson, I want to speak about present perfect. Many students have problem understanding present perfect. So how, where, and why we use present perfect. Let's find out. So before I start, pay attention to this example situation first. Tom can't find his key. He has lost his key. So here, he has lost his key means he lost it and he doesn't have it now, okay? So have lost or has lost is the present perfect simple here. So we usually say I, we, they have lost, but she, he, it has lost. The present perfect simple is have, has, plus past participle. The past participle often ends in ed, like finished, decided, etc. But many verbs are irregular, like lost, done, written, etc. So guys, keep in mind, when we say something has happened, this is usually new information. So when we give new information, we can use present perfect. Let me give you some examples. Ow, I've cut my finger. The road is closed. There has been an accident. Police have arrested two men in connection with a robbery. So when we say something has happened, this is usually new information and we use present perfect. Also, when we use the present perfect, there is a connection with now. The action in the past has a result now. Okay, guys, remember the action in the past has a result now. Listen to these examples. Tom has lost his key, so he doesn't have it now. The action in the past has a result now. He told me his name, but I have forgotten it. Or I've forgotten it, which means I cannot remember it now. Sally is still here. She hasn't gone out. So it means she is still here. She is here now. So when we use present perfect, there is a connection with now and the action in the past has a result now. I can't find my bag. Have you seen it? Which means, do you know where it is now? So let's compare gone to and been to. Many English students confuse these two situations. So guys, when we say James is on holiday, he has gone to Italy, it means he is there now or on his way there. But when we say Amy is back home now, she has been to Italy, it means that she has now come back. And we are speaking about mostly her experience, right? So this is the difference between gone to and been to. Guys, you can use the present perfect with just, already, and yet. Just means a short time ago. Yes, just means a short time ago. For example, are you hungry? No, I have just had lunch. I have just had lunch, which means I had lunch just a short time ago. Or, hello, have you just arrived? Have you just arrived? So just here means a short time ago. And already means sooner than expected. For example, don't forget to pay the bill. Oh, come on. I have already paid it. Yes, I have already paid it. So already here means sooner than expected. And yet means until now. We use yet to show that we are expecting something to happen. We use yet in questions and negative sentences. For example, has it stopped raining yet? Or, I have written the email, but I haven't sent it yet. Yes, I haven't sent it yet. So yet here means until now, and we use it to show that we are expecting something to happen. You can also use the past simple did, went, had, etc. in the examples in this lesson. So you can say, Ben isn't here, he's gone out, or he went out. So these two situations, they are both possible. Or, are you hungry? No, I have just had lunch, or no, I just had lunch. So we can use actually past simple or present perfect. Let's practice. You have a little time to think and give the correct answer. So, check your information. Read the situations and write sentences with just, already, or yet. So, guys, are you ready? Let's do it. Joe goes out. 5 minutes later, the phone rings and the caller says, Can I speak to Joe? You say, I'm afraid. Yes, the correct answer, I'm afraid he's just gone out. He's just gone out. So we use just to say that something happened just a few minutes ago, a short time ago. You are eating in a restaurant. The waiter thinks you have finished and starts to take your plate away. You say, Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I haven't finished yet. Right? I haven't finished yet. You plan to eat at a restaurant tonight. You phone to reserve a table. Later, your friend says, Shall I phone to reserve a table? You say, No. No, I have already done it, which means you did it before. Now, I have already done it. You know that Lisa is looking for a place to live. Perhaps she has been successful. You ask her. That's right. The correct answer is, Have you found a place yet? Have you found a place yet? That's it. Great job. If you have problems answering these questions, I highly recommend you to come back and review the lesson. So I want you to put been or gone in these situations. So let's see if you can answer it. My parents are on holiday. That's right, they have gone to Italy, which means they are on the way or they are there. Number 2. Hello, I have just. That's right, I've just been to the shops. I have bought lots of things, which means actually I am back now. Number 3. Tom has just. That's right, he has just gone out. He'll be back about an hour. So he's not here now. He's not actually here, he's out. Alice isn't here at the moment. I don't know where she's. Again, we say gone. I don't know where she has gone because she's not here now. You are very late. Where have you? That's right. Where have you been? And it means that she is back now, but she is late. I hope you have answered this question correctly. Again, if you have problems answering these questions, don't forget to come back and review the lesson.